What about in less than 30 minutes you have a complete meal? We are going to make quinoa at the bottom and then in top our chicken, and everything is going to be in a very nice salad. We are going to have first the marinated. It's already here with my chicken waiting for us. And then I'm going to show to you how to make the dressing. The dressing is very simple. We are going to emulsify everything. The recipe requests to measure, and we are going to put on the top of the lid the oil. And remember that Thermomix is going to use the scale for us. So I'm going to measure here. Let's add oregano, garlic, and salt. Then we only are going to chop in our Thermomix. Use all the time only your spatula in your Thermomix and scrub down like this. We are going to add a little orange juice, vinegar, and honey, mustard. Remember, instead of tapping here in the bowl, please, I recommend use the spatula to help. We are going to have the measuring cup closed, and we are going to add slowly the oil between here the lid and the measuring cup. Remember to open the lid in this direction. You are going to have a cleaner space, and we are going to transfer our dressing. Don't buy any more dressing for your salad. Use your Thermomix. Now we are going to put everything together, and I'm going to add water because it's what we need for the steaming. And here we have the quinoa already rinsed, and we are going to use the simmering basket. My suggestion, please remember to, in this fold, you are going to secure here in your Thermomix. It's going to be easier for you. We are going to use the lid to close, and we are going to add the baroma that here is our chicken, and in the tray we are going to add any type of vegetables that you want. It can be carrots, any broccoli, and we are going to set 20 minutes. Every time that you cook something in the top, in the baroma, remember to have this temperature baroma. When the time is over, remember to open against your face because this one is going to be very hot, and remember to use the lid as a tray. This one is very nice. Here are your vegetables, here are your chicken that we are going to slices, and here is our quinoa. Now it's time to put everything together.